Hello guys, welcome back to my channel once again. So in my previous video I actually made a video about the NicCoin, and I can see that people are actually interested in that video. So today's video I'm actually going to make a tutorial about the Pigs Airdrop. So they are saying that the allocation is actually coming soon, so they have given us a criteria for us to get more allocation. So this is what they have said it on their community over here. So first of all, they're saying that we should get ready for the massive rewards. They're saying that the more tone and stars you accumulate, the higher your profit will be. So Pick House is gearing up to reward its users gradually. So which means that the more star that you accumulate on their platform and the more tons is when you get a high allocation. So I just want to show you what I've been able to done, and you can also follow me step by step for you to also get more allocation. Alright, so you can see that I've been able to complete some transaction over here. So this I've been able to do this, and I've received 80,000 free just for one transaction, and this one too is also 40,000 and the rest. So I'm actually going to open their interface and show you what I've been able to do, and you can also follow me step by step for you to also earn massive reward from this airdrop. Alright, so this is the interface over here. So currently I'm having over 3 million plus pics over here. So but this is not gonna be all my point. They will calculate it and give me the allocation. So if you want to get high allocation, all you have to do is to come to this section over here, click on the Pigs packs over here. Is where there's some small tags that you complete. Alright, so let me click on it. Alright, so then you have to click on this one too. Alright, then I click on it. Alright, they say that you should complete all this tax for you to, at least you have to complete some of the tax to get more allocation. So I've done this. You can see that I've done this. You can see that this one is also claimed. You can see that this one is also claimed. This one is also claimed, and I've also done this one. You see that this one, the mark has also ticked. So this is what you have to do too. Also, but I'm not a financial advisor. This is what I do to make money online. So if you have ton whereby you can risk and do this transaction, and trust me, you're also going to be getting massive reward from this. Alright, so this is what they have for you. I can see that I've also claimed this and also done this tax. So I've been able to complete some tax and make some star transactions over here. So this is what I have for you. So if you're interested in this video, make sure to like, share this video to motivate me to bring you more updates about this crypto airdrops. So this is what I have for you. Watch out for my next video. Peace out.